Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the essentials. Pick a clear niche and plan 3 months of content so you publish consistently. Once done, secure your account. Enable 2-step verification and verify the channel by phone to unlock features. Make sure your about, links, and channel art communicate value immediately. Then produce a batch of videos, aim for about 10 pillar uploads or 20 shorts to seed your watch time and audience. This head start speeds up reaching monetization thresholds. Now focus on how people discover and stay on your videos. You should optimize metadata, titles, descriptions, tags, and test 3 thumbnail concepts to improve click-through. Once viewers click, hook them in the first 15 seconds and use end screens and playlists to extend session time. Publish a mix of shorts and long-form, post community updates, and collaborate monthly to tap into new audiences. Make sure to check analytics weekly for retention and traffic sources, then iterate based on what actually grows watch time. When you meet eligibility, 1,000 subscribers and the required watch time or shorts threshold, apply to the YouTube Partner Program and connect an AdSense account. Make sure payment and tax details are complete. For U.S. creators, you may need Form 1099 details, and payments typically release after a $100 threshold. Once approved, enable ad types, memberships, and merch where relevant. If your application is rejected, check policy flags, remove reused or copyrighted material, create original content, and then reapply after addressing the issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.